Okay, Python, file write. Write to an existing file. To write to an existing file, you must add a parameter to the open parentheses function. Alright, real quick, a parameter is like a piece of clothing. Parameter, piece of clothing, parameter, piece of clothing, parameter, piece of clothing. Hold up, pause real quick. Like in a video game, it's a piece of clothing that can do stuff. It's a piece of clothing that can do stuff. It's a piece of clothing that can do stuff. It's a piece of clothing that can do stuff. You can combine multiple parameters to do multiple things. Like, okay, everything in quotation marks is a parameter. Everything in quotation marks is a parameter. Everything in quotation marks is a parameter. Parameter 1, parameter 2. Quotation mark, parameter 1, quotation mark, parameter 2. Quotation mark, parameter 1, parameter 2. The glove lets you touch stuff without getting your hands hot. Ha, parameter 1. And the boot lets you walk on stuff without your foot freezing. Ha, parameter 2. Okay, now, A is append. A is append. A is append. Will append to the end of the file. To the end of the file. To the end of the file. So you tie a rope to the end. Append. Tie a rope to the end. Tie a rope to the end. Tie a rope to the end. This is just you just need to understand an analogy. It gets way more in depth, but this is just something like you just gotta temporarily memorize. Like when you're studying, there's some stuff you just straight up gotta memorize. Like there's not like any analogy you can really say for it. You just gotta memorize the rope thing for now. Oh, I could have worded that differently. Just memorize the rope sentence. Okay. W, write. Write will overwrite any existing content. So write is like whiteout. Blue ink. Right, blue ink, blue ink, blue ink, and whiteout. Blue ink and whiteout, blue ink and whiteout, blue ink and whiteout. When you write something to a file, it automatically deletes everything else. So write means whiteout first, then blue ink. Whiteout first, then blue ink. Whiteout first, then blue ink. Whenever you do this write command, it automatically is going to white out the whole page. White out the whole page, write something new. White out the whole page, do something new. White out the whole page, do something new. Alright. Open the file, demo file 2.txt, and append content to the end of the file. Alright. And vocab. Open the file, just like Microsoft Word. Open file, open file, open file. Open file, demo file, demo file, demo file. And append content. That means just add stuff to it, add stuff to it, add stuff to it, add stuff to it. And yeah. All this is literally append content to the end of the file. Add stuff to the file. Add stuff to the file. Add stuff to the end of the file. So add a rope to the end, add a rope to the end, add a rope to the end. Alright, F is going to be open demofile.txt and A. Okay, so we're going to open A. We're going to open this and then we're going to attach. We're going to open this and attach something. We're going to open this and attach something to it. Now F.write. Now the file has more content. Close, close, close. And now, oh, you know what? My bad. Alright, same thing. Alright, demo file A, write, more content, and close. Okay. Alright, so now we wrote, we whited it out, so everything on it is gone. Everything on it is gone, everything on it is gone. Oh, no, never mind. Oh, shit. I kind of fucked up that analogy. Okay, so write doesn't always white it out, but you, write still adds stuff. Oh, hold on real quick. Alright, write, new analogy. Real quick. Write, just add stuff. It's basically the same thing as this. Just think of them as the same thing. Add stuff with blue pen, add stuff with blue pen, add stuff with blue pen. Add stuff blue pen, blue pen, blue pen. Shit. Add stuff with blue pen, blue pen, blue pen. Okay? And after we do all this, remember, this is in the kitchen, until we put, like, print. If there's no print command, it's always in the kitchen. If nobody says take it out the kitchen, it's staying in the kitchen. So we closed it after we're done. We put this in the kitchen, and we closed it so, like, it doesn't get, like, too hot or whatever. And then this is just sitting in the kitchen, waiting, without the door cracked open, so it won't get too hot. Alright, and now open and read the file after appending. Maybe I should have used ice cream analogy. Whatever. Alright, open and read the file after the appending. Open and read, open and read, open and read. Okay? So first we got to go through this, then this is going to make more sense. So F is going to be